In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove a team member in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you need to open the specific Asana project where the team member you want to remove is currently a member. Once you've opened that project, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. It might look like a little person icon or just say Share. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the Share button, you'll see a list of everyone who has access to this project, including their roles. Find the name of the person you wish to remove. Once you've located their name, you'll notice their current role beside it. Click on that role. A drop-down menu will pop up. In that menu, you'll want to select the Remove from Project option. This action will restrict their access to that specific project immediately. Now, it's important to remember that if this person is involved in other individual projects, you'll need to repeat these steps for every other project they're part of. That means going back to each project and removing them from there as well. After you've ensured they've been removed from all relevant projects, head back to the top right corner of your screen where you should see your profile icon. Click on it to access the main account menu. From here, select the Admin Panel option. This will take you to the administrative settings for your whole organization, which is where you'll manage team access. Once you're in the Admin Panel, look for the Members section. This area will display a full user list of everyone in your organization. It might take a moment to load if you have many team members, but once it's ready, scroll through the list to find the specific individual you're looking to remove. When you find their name, click on it, and you should see an option to remove them permanently from your workspace. This option is crucial because removing someone from projects does not delete them from your organization entirely. Confirm the removal when prompted. This step is important to ensure the person no longer has any access to your workspace and all affiliated projects. And there you have it. After confirming their removal, check your result to ensure they are no longer listed in your team. You've successfully removed that team member from Asana. It might seem like a straightforward process, but it's essential for maintaining your team's efficiency and privacy. You want to keep your projects safe and only accessible to the right people. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Asana or team management, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.